Okay, let's go see what we can find in here. Sounded pretty damn nice, whatever it was. Had a good tune going. So let's go see what we can find. I'm thinking it's just a sticky valve, but I don't know. Might be a broken valve spring in there causing that, but the valve is sticking, so I don't. It just might be a valve issue. Usually it's caused from a valve that's stuck. Either way, it's not a good thing, because you start the bike up, make it actually run, it'll stick and hit the piston. Hit the other valve, and shortly thereafter it'll quit running for permanent. So, it's not good. Alright. What do we got in here that we don't want to see? Might as well make it leak more, so I'll just take this all the way out. See better. Okay, what do we got going on in here now? Appears to have a valve spring in there. Everything's looking okay that I can see. Flashlight here, look in here. Can't see anything in there. It's worse vision on this side. Got the best view from this side. Looks like you got dual springs in there. They look all right. This one's collapsed a little bit, but still looks like it's all in there. I don't see anything broken per se in there. Stock rocker box, so nothing fancy, except the valve itself is making lots of noises. Hydraulic is not pumped up at all. Moving it down. And like that. Looks like it's got crane style valve springs in it. Silver retainers. Remember S&S using those. It all looks okay. Boy, that lifter is junk. Oh yeah. Plays a good tune, huh? That hydraulic lifter is definitely not pumped up. Look how much clearance is in that thing. That thing is dry as hell, sticky. Again, I can't see in there very well. Okay. Can't tell the condition of what that is. Kind of concerning about how much travel we have in that push rod now. Like this one over here. That valve is quiet. Assuming we're not on overlap. Nope, we were. Got a lot of free play in it too. Not as much as the intake does, so. Alright, well. It's definitely a very dry valve. Take some CRC and kind of squirt some. I used to have a damn squirter on it, but it's disappeared. Let's do what we can to spray a bunch of lube in there. It's a lot quieter already. Good compression there. Guess I quit making noise. Oh, it's still got noise in it. Doesn't lift very far because the hydraulic lifter is so bad. Definitely got some muck on the valve. Lift her up. One Tatro power. Okay. Damn, that fucking thing is loose. Damn. Shit. That one does not make noise like this one does. Okay. Need some more opening. All right, let's go in here. Let's see what we can figure out over here. Okay. Yeah, definitely a lot of travel on things. I want to kind of look in there and see how much distance we got on the lifters. The clip. And they're down there a little bit. Looks like they're down there a little ways on the adjustment, but I probably should readjust these things. The pusher was a little bumpy. I look at the clip down there. You got a piston and a clip down in there. I don't know if you can see it, but the clip is right there. See the eyelet of it, and the piston is below it somewhat. So I'm thinking it's probably down there a little ways. This one here, you can kind of get in there and see it's further down than the clip is. Really hard to see, obviously. So I think what I should do is just readjust this valve. Tighten these up, because there's going to be no hydraulic action on this motor. So unless you want to hear this thing hammer like crazy, we're going to have to get some, take some slack out of this thing. So, looks like these are 7/16. You get on top dead center, first thing you gotta do. Is top dead center. Let's see, yeah, hose clamp. Hose pin around here somewhere I saw. It might have been his drawer over here. There's one in here. One's better than none. Official Harley tool clothespin. Goes like that, keeps them out of the way. Nope, these are not 7/16, they're ½ inch. Yep. Okay, what do we have here? Yeah, not exactly tight. Alright, let's get an idea about how many turns they had these things adjusted at. Because we have no idea. Alright, I'm going to cut this right now and show you how to adjust this stuff.